What's up, my beauties out there? Welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Champagne coming to you again, and today we're going to be talking about all things beauty and how to glow up like that girl, okay? Because that looks different for many folks. I'm going to come at an approach of how I feel like you can glow up like that girl. Stay tuned, keep watching, because we're going to be diving in, and this is all about glowing from the inside on out. You know me, because I think it starts within and then it seeps out. We're going to get started talking about how to be that girl, how to glow. Let's go. Okay, first things first, let's talk about skincare, because glowing skin is the ultimate foundation for confidence. And I'm going to be sharing my top tips for a skincare glow up. So as you guys can see, I went in with this cleanser, clarifying salicylic gel cleanser by Image Skincare. I really like this cleanser because it is a gel cleanser, and I do feel like gel cleansers really break up the dirt and oils on our face, and it has 2% of salicylic acid, which helps kill the bacteria that cause acne on the skin. And as you guys see, I'm just gently wiping my face. I'm going to be going in with this hydrating Vital C enzyme mask. And this enzyme mask is really good. It's not very active, but it is a natural enzyme exfoliant like pineapple and papaya fruit extracts. And basically, I'm just massaging that in on my skin. And this is just going to give my skin a more bright, even toned skin. Okay, it has antioxidants and vitamins to nourish and hydrate the skin. And I'm going to leave this on for 5 minutes, as you guys see. It's really good. And I'm only leaving it on for 5 minutes due to time, but it is recommended that you leave it on to 10 to 20 minutes, and then you just rinse with lukewarm water. I'm going in with this tool that I got from Benefit. I really love it. It's a exfoliation part. As you see me doing, I'm giving myself extra exfoliation with that mask, and that actually felt really good, by the way. And then I'm gonna flip it, and that other side is just to help you take off your mask, and that's really great even for clay mask, if you have a clay mask you're going to be using. But this mask is from Image Skincare as well. And then I'm just wiping that off my face, as you see me do. So that's the second thing, exfoliate. The third thing, you want to hydrate like it's your job, you guys. Applying moisturizer. I'm using Vital C from Image Skincare, hydrating moisturizer. And then I went in with my own oil that I used to make. And I just add that. I do that for extra glow, extra moisture. I feel like it works for me. But yeah, you want to make sure you do that to lock in that moisture, okay? And skincare isn't just about looking good, you guys. It's a form of self-love. Remember that. When you take care of your skin, you're saying, I deserve to feel amazing in my own skin. This is key because we do. Us as people, we do. When we work a lot, when we do a lot out here in this world, we need good skin, inside and out, period. You also want to take that product on your neck as well and hydrate the neck, because the neck shows signs of aging as well. In the last, I'm going to go in with this nice lip balm from Clinique. It's not overbearing. It's not too glossy. It gives me like a lip gloss slash Vaseline vibe mixed together, if you want to say, but it does the job. Now, glowing up isn't just about the outside, okay? It's about the inside too, and confidence is key. And I'm going to be sharing here 3 ways to boost yours every day. Number 1, you want to say positive affirmations, okay? Start your day by looking in the mirror and saying, I am beautiful. I am confident. I am unstoppable. Trust me, it works. Coming in at number 2, gratitude journaling. So here you want to write down 3 things you're grateful for every morning. And when you do this, it shifts your mindset to focus on the good in your life. Okay, so we want positivity always. That's our forefront. Number 3, body language. Stand tall, shoulders back, head high. You're that girl, so show it off. Confidence comes from within, y'all, but it also grows when we decide to take action. So do the things that make you feel unstoppable, and wear that outfit you've been saving. Try the bold lipstick or take a selfie because you're glowing, girl. And always remember, confidence is a flex within itself, inside and out. If you like these tips, don't forget to subscribe to this video and subscribe for more glow up tips, self-care, confidence, being you, being that girl, being that person that you know you are called to be. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, okay? And then also leave your comments down below because I love to hear your feedback. Let me know, what is your favorite glow up tip that you took from today's video? What did you like? What do you want to hear more about? Let me know, because it's all about connections, confidence, self-care in this year and continuing on. Until next time, I'll catch you guys back with another one. Remember, radiate in and out. Bye.